How to fix hidden photos not showing on iPhone. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix the problem of hidden photos not showing. Firstly, open settings on your device. After opening settings, scroll down and tap on the option General. Inside General, look for the option Software Update and tap on it. Now check for any software update that may be available for your device. If there are updates available, then update it. If not, then go back to your home page. Again, open the Settings app. In Settings, scroll down to the very bottom. After that, tap on the very last option, Apps. Here you will find all the applications that are installed on your device. Scroll down and look for the app Photos. Go to the P section and select the app Photos. Now you will land to an interface like this. Here scroll down and you should see an option called Show Hidden Albums. Make sure that this option is turned on. If this option is turned off, then tap on the switch icon to turn it on. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.